I am Dihing Patkai, the wildlife sanctuary. I am also known as the Amazon of East. I am located in the Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district of Assam. I am the only sanctuary in India which is a home to 7 different species of wild cats like tiger, leopard, clouded leopard, golden cat, jungle cat, and marble cat. I am also the home to 42 species of mammals, 40 species of reptiles, 293 bird species, and 30 species of butterflies. And I have got 101 varieties of orchids. I foster dozens of different tribes and communities in my land. But unfortunately, the National Board of Wildlife has proposed to turn me over a coal mining project. So, after emerging from the pandemic situation, you won't be able to see me as lively as before. Here, I am pleading you to save me from this atrocity, or else I will be gone forever, taking away all the lives within me. Assam, being our motherland, we need to take this issue to national level and enlighten the country about the pain our motherland is going through. এজন প্ৰকৃত অসমীয়া হিচাপে অসম মাতৃৰ এই দুৰ্দশা আহক সকলোৱে মিলি ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় পৰ্যায়ত দাঙি ধৰোঁ।
দিয়া ঘুরাই দিয়া পৃথিবী আমার আমার